Business Consultant presents an excellent financial model template for karaoke business. It has been designed for you to forecast up to 60-month operating budget and cash flows with a relevant set of assumptions. So let's dive in. We will start with the set of assumptions that could be changed or adapted as per the requirements of your business. All these orange cells are the input that will be changed as per your business, and all other things will be updated. We have the assumptions about the investment. Then moving on, if I'm changing this amount to this term to 50, you can see the change in the monthly repayment. That's how our model works. Then we have this assumptions about the revenue, that what segmentation we have, and about the assumptions about the visitors and all those things. Then we have the payroll assumptions, in which you can decide that when you are hiring the person and how much you are going to pay them and what will be the annual increase on it. Then we have the operational expenses, and then we have the capex. You can see if I'm changing the asset life here, this has changed to 600. Moving on, we have the revenue analysis, in which we will start with the number of visitors and we will see how many those visitors will convert in our customers and then give us recurring revenue. We will divide that revenue as per the streams that we have decided before, and then we'll see that how much revenue we are getting from meals and how much we are getting from our mainstream services. So we'll get the total revenue, and then some percentage of that revenue will be our cost of service. Then we have this depreciation schedule to see that our capex and the increase or the decrease in the assets, or there will be the depreciation. Then we have the loan schedule, in which you will see that how much interest we are going to pay and how much remaining portion of the installment will go into the principal payment. Then we have the startup summary. This is a quick snapshot of the business in first year, which will tell you that how much in total you have funding, that is from the loan and the equity, and what will be your expenses in the first year, so you can know whether you need extra money or not. Then we have the monthly income statement, in which you will get the revenue, COGS, and then coming on to the bottom line, which is said net profit or net loss. Then this income statement has been given annually, so you can even have a more concise picture. Then we have the cash flow statement, which is also annual as well as monthly. We have all three portions of cash flow statement, that is from operating activities, from investing activities, and from financing activities. And at the end, we have this net cash flow. You can enter the amount here which you think you will be having the beginning cash. Then we have the balance sheet. It is again same annual or as well as monthly. This will tell you the specific value of your assets and liabilities and equity at a specific point of time. You can see that we have this much assets in year one and this much liabilities and equity. Also, we have given this check so you can know that your liabilities plus equity is equal to your asset, which is the core of any business. Moving on, we have the break-even analysis, which will tell you that at what point the revenue will equal to cost. And after that, you will start having profit. Then we have the project valuation, which will tell you about the worth of the company. It will calculate the NPV of the company as well as IRR, so you can know how much equity you can offer to investor, which will be more reliable measure. Then we have the sensitivity analysis, in which we have assumed that if revenue is decreasing by some percentage and cost of services is increasing, or revenue is increasing by some percentage, so what will be the impact on other things, like what will be the impact on total revenue, total cost of service, gross profit, total operating expenses, and EBITDA. So these are also, we have shown this thing in the graph, so you can also get the idea. Then we have the diagnostic tool, so you can know the financial performance or the financial health of your company. At last, we have the dashboard. It is a quick snapshot and the most interactive part of the model, which will tell you the position about your profitability, cash flow, and operating expenses. So this is all about this model. Thank you for listening.